Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious curry using only onions. This easy method is perfect for a quick meal. First, thinly slice about 3 to 4 large onions. These will form the rich base of our curry. Next, prepare your spices, including 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Finally, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat, getting ready for the next step. The key to a flavorful onion curry is proper caramelization. Add your thinly sliced onions to the heated oil. Sauté them over medium-low heat, stirring frequently until they become beautifully golden brown and soft. This process takes approximately 15 to 20 minutes, but it is crucial for developing that deep, sweet, and savory base that defines our curry. Patience here will truly pay off in the final taste. Once your onions are perfectly caramelized, it is time to build the flavor layers. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then stir in your dry spices, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Cook for another minute, allowing the spices to bloom. Finally, pour in about 1/2 cup of water, scraping up any bits from the bottom of the pan to form a rich sauce. Now bring the curry to a gentle simmer. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken to your desired consistency. Taste and adjust the salt as needed. Before serving, you can garnish your delicious onion curry with some fresh, chopped cilantro. This simple, flavorful dish is perfect with rice or bread, proving that sometimes less is truly more.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.